In this video, I'll be sharing my favorite tools and Chrome extensions that I cannot live without. These are tools that I use on a day-to-day basis and has had a significant impact on my overall work. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Tool number 1, Pocket. Pocket is an app that lets you save articles, videos, news stories, and more. As a marketer and blogger, I come across lots of great pieces of article that I want to consume, but I might not be able to consume it then and there. Pocket lets me save all these articles with a click of a button and help me create a personalized feed that I can go to when I want to read articles. On web, you can download the Pocket Chrome extension. There's also a mobile app that you can use both for iOS and Android. I've been using this app for years together and I simply cannot recommend enough. If you're somebody who wants to consume great articles, you must install this app. There's also a cool reader mode that helps you consume articles as if you're reading a book. The second app, Notion. Notion is an amazing app. You can use it to do everything from tracking your finances, to tracking leads, to creating a content calendar, to writing articles, to putting down all your research and much more. I personally use Notion to track all my content on Content Zeal and YouTube, as well as put down all my research at work. Overall, it's an amazing tool and every marketer should be using it. It's also useful to freelancers where they want to track their finances and much more. The third tool on my list is TODOIST. As marketers, working professionals, or as freelancers, tracking all the tasks for that day, week, or month is very important, and TODOIST helps me do exactly that. I'm on the premium version, but the free version is equally good. I use TODOIST to track all my day-to-day activities. I also prioritize them, set reminders, and much more. Overall, TODOIST has served me well. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend this tool. Alternatively, you can also look at TickTick or Notion. TODOIST also has a cool mobile app as well as an Apple Watch app. So check it out for yourself and see if it works for you. The fourth tool on my list is Brain.fm. So I've recommended Brain.fm in my previous videos as well. Brain.fm helps you concentrate. So whenever I'm writing or doing an important task, I usually put my headphones on and start Brain.fm. Brain.fm has a patented technology where they have created music or sound which helps you focus on your work. Personally, I have found it very useful. There's also a 7 days free trial you can use to see it for yourself. Alternatively, you can also listen to lo-fi music on Spotify. There are a lot of playlists available. The fifth tool on my list is AHREFS. As a content marketer, a lot of your work revolves around finding new topics, checking your competitors, and much more. And AHREFS is a perfect tool to do that. I use AHREFS to understand what are the high-performing blog posts, what keywords are they ranking for, doing my own keyword research, as well as finding less competitive keywords. Overall, AHREFS is a brilliant tool. Even though it's expensive, it's highly recommended if you're somebody who's handling the inbound strategy for any company or if you're a blogger. AHREFS also has a free version where if you connect it with your Google Search Console, you'll receive weekly emails as well as you can track all the performance of your keywords. The sixth tool on my list is Momentum. Momentum is a free Chrome extension which helps you remove all the clutter of a new tab. So whenever you click on a new tab, you are presented with a nice clock as well as a nice photo. There's also a premium version which helps you add tasks and much more. I also use the bookmark features. So whenever you open a tab and you can add all your bookmarks there and you can access your bookmarks from there. Overall, it's a very cool tool and helps you relax a lot, because if you have anything on your new tab, it might distract you. So to be focused, Momentum is a great tool, and if you like the tool, you can also go for the paid version as well. The seventh tool is Grammarly. Now Grammarly is a no-brainer for anybody, any working professional, especially writers. Grammarly helps you correct your spelling mistakes, change the tone of the article, rephrase, and much more. If you go for the premium version, you can also check your content for plagiarism as well as few advanced features. I use Grammarly app as well as its Chrome extension as well as its Google Doc integration. So if you use Google Docs for writing blogs, emails or other website copies, Grammarly for Google Docs is a must. It saves you from the hassle of copying, pasting and much more. The extension is still in beta, so there might be certain loading issues or freezing issues. You just need to bear with it. The 8th tool on my list is TOGGL Time Tracker. If you want to track your time effectively knowing what you do, or if you are a freelancer and you're working per hour basis, this tool will greatly help you track all your time. It has a cool Chrome extension which helps you add anything you want. I've seen people track their complete time and understand how much they are spending in creating certain things. For example, if you're creating a blog post, tracking the time you take from start to finish and in between processes like research, outlining will help you examine your whole workflow as well as optimize it. So TOGGL Time Tracker is a very great tool. The 9th tool on my list is Flow. Flow is a free Pomodoro timer from Mac. So whenever I am writing something or I want to be focused, I turn on the Flow timer. It's a very beautiful timer and helps you focus for those 25, 50 or more minutes. Highly recommended if you're looking for a good Pomodoro timer. The 10th tool on my list is ZAPIER. Now, I know a lot of you must already know about ZAPIER, but ZAPIER is an amazing automation tool. I use the free version of the tool for my blog TODOIST, where I have certain automations put in place. So for example, SENDINBLUE doesn't integrate with ELEMENTOR, but ELEMENTOR has a ZAPIER integration as well as SENDINBLUE has a ZAPIER integration. So you can connect both these apps and automate certain workflows. Overall, that's just one use case. I'm sure there are hundreds of other use cases you can use with ZAPIER, and it literally has saved me lots of time and streamlined work. I cannot recommend it enough. The 11th tool on my list is SENDINBLUE. Now, if you're looking for a powerful free email provider, I highly recommend SENDINBLUE. I've been using it for a couple of years now, and it's an amazing tool. You can create workflows. I'm also impressed with the deliverability. The only downside is its old email editor, but I'm sure they're gonna fix that soon. So if you're looking for a robust email provider to send emails, SENDINBLUE is the tool for you. The 12th tool on my list is ELEMENTOR. Now, if you're using WordPress and you want to create those amazing landing pages and beautiful blog posts, ELEMENTOR is the tool to go for. I've been using the paid version for almost 3 years now, and I'm amazed with what you can do with the tool. It literally converts your boring pieces of content into stunning, visually appealing blog posts. You have animations, you can also do email pop-ups, website pop-ups, and much more. Overall, it's an amazing tool. I've written a review about it on my blog TODOIST. So if you're planning to use ELEMENTOR, make sure to read the review. I'll leave links below. The 13th tool on my list is Google Docs. Google Docs is the platform I use to write all my content. I personally love the sharing aspect of the tool and how seamlessly it integrates with Grammarly and other tools. So overall, if you're looking for a platform to write, I think you should get away with Word docs and use Google Docs. It's so much easier to share and duplicate. There's also an option to create templates, so you can create a template, and whenever you write a new blog post, you can just use that template and everything. Like there will be section for outline and much more. So that's it. These were my favorite tools. Let me know what are your favorite tools in the comment section. I'd love to know them. If you're new here, I'm Himanshu, and I post videos around marketing and blogging every week on this channel. So if you like my video, feel free to subscribe it. Until next time, bye bye.